Welcome to our channel. Nintendo Switch connection problems and eShop errors can disrupt your gaming experience, but these fixes will restore your connection. Step 1. Check Nintendo's network status page to verify there are no ongoing service disruptions affecting the Switch servers or eShop. Step 2. Restart your Nintendo Switch by holding the power button for 3 seconds, selecting power options, and choosing restart. Step 3. Test your internet connection through System Settings, Internet, and Test Connection to identify whether the issue is with your Switch or network. Step 4. Move closer to your Wi-Fi router or remove obstacles between your Switch and router to improve signal strength. Step 5. Restart your router and modem by unplugging them for 30 seconds, which often resolves temporary network conflicts. Step 6. Update your Nintendo Switch system software by going to System Settings, System, and System Update to ensure compatibility with eShop services. Step 7. Change your DNS settings to manual and enter Google's public DNS servers for improved connectivity and reduced errors. Step 8. Initialize your Nintendo Switch if all else fails by backing up your save data to the cloud and performing a factory reset through System Settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.